Let's talk about how to support Gestalt language processors during lunch, a time filled with sensory input, social complexity, and transitions that can easily overwhelm without the right support.
What is lunchtime? Lunch is one of the least structured, most stimulating parts of the day. It involves navigating food routines, social expectations, and unpredictable environments, all of which can be challenging for GLPs. What makes it hard for GLPs? When language is rushed or ambiguous, GLPs may not know when it's okay to eat, where to sit, or what happens next. Without co-regulation and clear repeated scripts, lunch can feel unsafe. What do they need instead? GLPs need calm, predictable language like, "It's time to eat," "We're sitting together," or "Lunch is all done, let's clean up now." These scripts create emotional safety and help the student make sense of the experience in real time. Top gestalts for lunch. "It's lunchtime, let's eat together." "You're eating, I'm sitting right here." "All done with lunch, time for trash." These phrases are grounded in action, connection, and repetition. They support comprehension and become part of the student's expressive language. How to use this in class. Use lunch visuals every day. Model the same scripts. Sit close, provide co-regulation, and avoid language surprises. Need visuals and scripting tools for lunch? Explore the Visual Nooks GLP-aligned meal routine supports, where language and connection meet.